Today, we're going to show you how to hook up a pressure kit to your X Series brewer. In your kit, you will find a pump, an accumulator, and a pressure regulator. The accumulator and pressure regulator have been preset to optimize the performance of your X Series brewer and should not need any adjustments. To begin the process, first take your water supply line and insert it into the push-in fitting located on the pump. As you insert the PE line, push until you feel resistance. This resistance is the line meeting the O-ring on the inside of the fitting. Keep pushing until the PE line moves past the O-ring. This will create an adequate seal. Attached to your pressure regulator should be a small piece of PE line. Please note that the flow direction on your pressure regulator usually is indicated by an arrow. Make sure that the arrow points away from the pressure pump and towards the brewer. Using the same process as before, take the PE line that's already attached to your pressure regulator and insert it into the fitting on your accumulator. Again, push until you feel resistance from the internal O-ring, then push past it to create a seal. Next, we'll connect your pressure regulator to your brewer using the 3/8 inch PE supply line. First, insert the line into the other side of your pressure regulator. Then, take the line around the rear of your brewer and insert it into the solenoid, using the same method by which we insert the tube and push past the O-ring to create the seal. It's important to make sure that your pressure kit is within 6 feet of your brewer. You have now attached your pressure kit to your X Series brewer and are ready to go. For more information, please visit brewbomb.com. Thank you.